Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to track an order on eBay. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Say that you've ordered an item on eBay and you want to go ahead and see the status of it. How do you actually go ahead and track your order? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is hop onto the eBay app, and then once you open up the eBay app, on the bottom left hand corner you want to click on My eBay. Once you've done that, you want to click on Purchases or your order history, and then here's where you're going to find a list of orders that you've made on eBay. Go ahead and click the first order that you want to go ahead and track. And then from this option here, you're going to see the delivery info. So this order here has already been delivered, but you could also click on track package in order to get more details as far as what's the status of this order. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and track the status of an order on eBay. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know.